Changing the background color of a text box in Word sounds like it should be intuitive. But Microsoft Word, in true Microsoft fashion, decided to bury it a few clicks deep just to keep you humble. Let's dig it up step by step. First, click on the actual text box so the border is highlighted, not the text inside. Click the edge. You'll know you did it right when little white or blue circles appear around the box like a digital halo of selection. Now, go to the top menu ribbon and click on the tab that says Format or Shape Format. The wording sometimes changes depending on your version of Word, which is Microsoft's way of reminding you that you are not in control. Once there, you'll see a bunch of icons and drop-downs. You're looking for one called Shape Fill, not Text Fill or Shape Outline. Shape Fill is your hero here. Don't get fooled by its siblings. Click on Shape Fill, and you'll get a little palette of colors. Microsoft picked these colors based on a designer who probably lives in a gray cubicle and dreams in blue gradients. But hey, they work. Pick any color you like. As soon as you click one, boom, your text box background changes instantly. It's kind of satisfying, like painting a wall, but way less messy and no masking tape involved. If you want more variety, click on More Fill Colors at the bottom of that drop-down. You get access to RGB sliders, hex codes, and custom hues. Fair warning, you could waste a good 20 minutes choosing the perfect teal. Pro tip: if your text disappears or looks weird after you change the background, you probably need to adjust the text fill color too. Go back to text fill on the same ribbon and make it something high contrast. Also, check out the shape outline while you're at it. Changing the border color or removing it altogether can totally level up the design. Thin black borders often work wonders to make boxes look cleaner and less janky. Common mistake I see? People try to click inside the box and then change the background like it's a cell in Excel. Word doesn't play like that. You've got to select the box's border for most formatting. Treat it like its own object. Want to apply the same color to multiple boxes? Select each one while holding Shift, then do the same shape fill move. Saves a bunch of time and looks consistent across your doc. Changing text box colors might seem small, but visually it changes the entire tone of your document. I've bumped up reports from meh to wow just by adding soft color fills and good alignment. Don't underestimate this step. If your document has a white background, which most do, light pastels work best. They're easy on the eyes and don't scream for attention. Unless screaming is your thing, then go with bold orange. I'm not here to judge.